again today. You know, say, I have to give God thanks for waking up this morning because, you know, in everything, God come first, creator of all living things. So I say, give thanks and praise unto God. So I just went to the store, people, and my idea was to get a bunch of things. Didn't take a list, so I forgot some things. Anyway, the things that we're gonna do today, the only thing missing out is coconut. Only them in our cook without coconut. But anyway, see it here, you know. See it here? And this I do it to the people. Pop chow, scallion, onion. And then me gonna add some chicken wings to it. Yeah. This I go like chicken wings with pop chow. Yeah, man. Straight up mix some chicken with some vegetable. Straight up. See carrot, yeah? And then we're gonna do some bulgur. Around 2 weeks now, me know it now, bulgur. And you know, fiber is a must. So, stay tuned, guys. Watch the process. Yeah. So, as me say again, I'll just start the process like this with this pop choy. Yeah. So that's how it going now. Start the process. So me have my green knife ready, and me gonna get my pop choy ready. Cut off the back. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so pop choy I have to wash my pop choy. Yeah. We call it pop choy. Bok choy. Yeah. So me I wash me bok choy. Yeah. Been eating bok choy for more than 3 weeks right now, and it's only getting better. So right now, wash me bok choy. Normally, go add some salt on it, bok choy, and wash off it good. You know? Yeah. So you do bok choy. Any little thing they on it, you make sure it come off in the salt water, and then you rinse off the bok choy. Rinse it off good, people. Make sure your bok choy, any little things from out of the field that was on it, like any little parasites or any little thing, make sure that bok choy washed off real good. What me say, people? Real good. People, what me say? Real good. Wash that pop choy real good. Okay. Yeah, man. Pretty like them pretty house up in Hollywood. Alright, good. Anyway, what I'm gonna do next is cut up the bok choy. B-O-K-C-H-O-I. Bok choy. Cut him up. Yeah. Cut up my bok choy. Yeah. Cut up my bok choy. So you have to do it, you know, people. Cut him up real good, you know. Yeah. Dice up this bok choy. This bok choy gonna cook down real good. Make it nice and happy. Yeah. So step one I go and do it now, people. Step one. Alright. You see? So yeah, man. Cut up the back choy. Really good, you know. Yeah. Cut him up nice and happy, people. Back choy, I cut up really good, nice and happy. Alright, say for instance now, you got this here, so you just push him over upon the corner because you're going to cut up some more thing. Scrape the carrot. When you deal with carrot, you make sure you scrape off any little, you know, scrape off any little thing all upon your carrot. You scrape your carrot, you wash it, and then you cut it up what? Real good. What say, people? Cut up the carrot what? Real good. What I say? Cut it up what? Real good. Huh? The carrot real good. Carrot real good, people. Carrot real good, people. Real nice and happy. You know? Carrot real nice and happy, people. Go there, go there, go there, go there. Yeah. Nice up your carrot, people. So you have to do it, you know. Should put one more? Yeah, I'll put one more. Cause carrot in everything, finger licking. What do? Finger what? Finger licking. What me say, people? Finger what? Finger licking. Carrot in everything what? Finger licking. Alright. Yeah. So you have to do it, you know, people. Nice him up like this. Nice him up, dice him up, nice him up, dice him up. Nice him up, dice him up, nice him up, dice him up. Nice him up, dice him up, dice him up, nice him up, nice him up. Nice him up, dice him up, dice him up, nice him up. Yeah, people. So you have to do him, you know, people. Nice him up, dice him up, nice him up, dice him up. Nice him up, dice him up, nice him up, dice him up. Alright, so that's another step. And then you're going to do like this again, people. Bell pepper, you know. The same one what they call sweet pepper. You know the reason why they call it bell pepper, people. Because it was shaped like a bell. Shaped like a bell. Yeah. Bell pepper, you know, people. So, yeah. Then cut up this bell pepper. Real good. Let me say do, people. Cut it up what? Real good. Cut up bell pepper. Real good. Alright. Cut up the bell pepper what? Real good, people. Cut the bell pepper real good. Pepper real good. No one know what pepper cut, you know, because I won't cook them. Ding 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 ding. Ding ding. People. I know what pepper cut, you know. It's a red, gold and green here look for, you know. You see? You see the thing look already? Enjoy it, man. Show the thing look, you know. That's so thing for looking at, people. Look at that. Look at that artwork, people. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting it better. Yeah. See that? Real good, people. You see the artwork there? Alright, bam, bing, bam. Alright, now I have one more piece of pepper more and put in it. Bing! Put that there, so. Take off the label. Put here, so. You know? Yeah, man. Kitchen kinda noisy today, but me no care. Just have do me thing. Bang, bing, boom, bing, Mm-hmm. 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 Alright, you know that, people? See that? So you have to do it, you know. Put all a little artwork as so make a thing look happy, you know, people. You see that? Yes, man. Yes, no, man. But you know, stop this again. You say, continue the work. Ding, 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 ding. Bang, bang, bang. Boom, bam, boom. Alright. So here, people. Step one. We still have some scallion and some time when we want to put on it, people. But you know, I'm going on a different phase now. So I'm going to do like this. Bang, boom, bang, bang, boom, boom. Alright. See that? How beautiful that be. Alright. That's another phase. Alright, so I'm going to put the scallion now. Put the scallion on it now, people. You know? So normally when I buy scallion a shop, I may use it. Cut off the root like this. And dip the root them in some water, people. So you do your scallion, yeah, and you grow this in your backyard. You dip them root in some water. Me show you. Dip them scallion root in some water, people, and you grow in your backyard. You know? And then they are going to spring up, you know. Alright, good. So you do scallion. You buy scallion one time, you just have to buy scallion till next time again. You don't have to buy scallion every day because scallion easy to come in. Just cut off the root, as I say, drop them in some water, them in your in your backyard. Where you put them, people? Grow them in your grow them in your backyard. So yeah. Scallion cut up. Scallion cut up. Scallion cut up, people. Cut up, cut up, cut up, cut up, cut up. What a beauty. Look at that. What if you tap it? Nothing can stop it. Yes, so yeah. Alright. Step one. Alright, so step two, yeah. Bang. Step two. The chicken. Now, when I look for your chicken, people, wash your chicken. If you don't have vinegar and lemon, you must have one. Either vinegar or lemon. Yeah, white vinegar or the lemon. So, yeah. Wash off it. So me, I'll use a lemon today. I'm going to bust it. I'll squeeze it for them wings, yeah. Alright, so when you squeeze it, you don't want no seed going on it too, you know. Well, like this, if you don't have the squeezer, you look out for seed. Yeah. Look out for seed, people, because any seed dropping on it, it's a negative. So, you make sure you don't have no seed dropping on it. There's some squeezer here, you know. Me have my squeezer. I want to do it professionally, just do this squeezer. But, be sure, say, the end of the day, no seed not going to be in it. Okay. Alright, so, wash off anything. There go become a nuisance in your meal. And you're ready to eat. Yeah, so here, people, this chicken, yeah, you smell it, you know, I smell no rawness, you just smell lemon flavored. So here, people, like this, you know, I turn on the stove now, you know. Yeah. Today, I turn on the stove, but before I turn on the stove, I will probably use one of them pot, yeah. It's a good while now I haven't used this pot. So welcome, Patilla. Okay. Patilla is on there. Put this put right here, so. Put back what we put in our put. Right. Yeah. Anyway, so you do it. Alright. You're gonna put your oil in your pot. You know? And this are the real coconut oil. So food will taste like coconut in there. Even though I forgot to buy a coconut at the store a while ago, I forget. And I said I ain't going back out there. Already inside already. I ain't going back for now. Yeah, just to do this thing real good. So almost complete step 2. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put some browning in this chicken wing here. And people, me grow my locks. Me though in no religion. Me no farm, no church, no denomination. Just serve Jah, you know? Yeah. So who is you if you try and tell me say me can't eat bird? Chicken. No. Can't condemn. No, Rastaman say one time. Rastaman say him grew up in a yard with dreadlocks, you know. Big Rastaman with long precept, I tell you, you know. See it on YouTube. He say him grew up in a yard with dreadlocks. Enough of them say them no eat meat. The whole of them dead and gone left him. Him say him eat meat. And him still alive. Yeah. And the man around 77 you know. Long precept. So why you to judge me and condemn me? Let me tell you, so yes, eat me little chicken, and the only thing me no mess with are beef and lamb and then chicken there. But me eat fish. You see? Yeah, people, so things set, you know. Put it in there, and then you go. After that, actually brown, you're going to add the ingredients. So make him stay there and brown. Yeah. So people, when you see this again, historical move. Yeah. Alright. So you sure it look pretty? Yeah. Alright. How many if you don't know, people, I put some time. I'm going to put a whole bunch of time in it. Because I love time, you know. I put a whole bunch of time in it. Alright, so yeah. You put a whole bunch of time in it. Put the time right there so to keep it. So look for the beauty again, people. You see anytime when you see it again, it will go in the chicken pot. You see? Anytime you see all them vegetables again, but put in the chicken pot and mix it up. So stay tuned. Yeah. So now going on another step now, people. You see this? You see them now? Golden brown already. So all I never do, but that's how I had the vegetable, the pak choy and the rest are history. So listen now, people. This is how you do it. A little yellow this, so a little red this, so a little green this, so a little gold this, so mix it up this, so. Woohoo! You see that? You see that, people? Alright. That's how you do it. Put a little this, a little that this, so. Yes, people. Put it in and just stir it up. Stir it up, you know? Yeah, so you do it, people. Yeah. Yeah. And don't forget the time. And when you put the time in, you put the time on top like this, you know, like some little, you know, invitation to taste and niceness. You see how the time look, people? The invitation to the taste and the niceness where you're gonna get, you know. And this are the ingredient from the seasoned chicken. Alright. People, all you have to do you know, I just make him stay there and cook down, you know. You see what I say? That's all you have to do, people. And you see when you cook down, you're going to see how beautiful it look. So what you do you know is just cover it. Cover it and make it stay there, go and do the work. Alright. So people, I tell you some I make some bulgur. Bulgur high in fiber. So I eat this, you know. Yeah. Cause you have to eat fiber. No matter what. So the bulgur this. I put the bulgur upon the fire, I add salt in it already with some water. And if me want, I can add some oil in it, coconut oil. But today, I already have oil in the vegetable pot. So probably do a little bit of oil, not much. Not because in name coconut oil, you can't overdo it. You know? And a real coconut oil too. Real deal. So here we know. So you do it. And this coconut oil, no additive, no preservative, a real natural thing me I tell you about. Yes. Yeah. So yeah, people, when you see this again, another history. So okay, so watch the difference now, people. Look at the difference now. Stir up time. Oh my. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. Simple if you do your chicken wings, you know. You don't have to get up eat meat every day, you know. If you mix with vegetable. You know? And this is no kind of heavy meat, just some simple chicken wings. With some pak choy and some carrot and some scallion and them thing there, you know, thyme and, you know. You see what I say? Simple. Yeah. And this will go with the good old the good old bulgur. See bulgur, yeah? Partly cook already. Yeah. When this dry out to cook. And bulgur rich in a fiber. Rich in fiber. Yeah. You eat this all the time. I'll tell you now, no problem with colon. Alright. So pretty much the thing looks so nice already, you know, people. Look at that. Look at them a view here. You see how the thing look? I wonder if it really a look. Yeah? Presidential click again, you know, another epic move, you know, people. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, you know. Leave the comment section open for you guys to make comment. And I'm taking out these thyme sticks. Yeah. And don't try this at home, guys. I can manage the heat. Make sure you do your thing different. The way I do things could be different from the way you do things. So right now I'm doing the way I do it best, you know. Yeah. I'm used to the heat and all of that. So yeah, another epic one. As I was saying, thumbs up for this video. Yeah, I'm taking out the thyme sticks, as you can see, because I don't want it to be all twisting up in my throat and all of that. Everything's supposed to be real nice when it's cooked, going down in my belly. Yeah, so that's how we do it, guys, you know. So look at this beauty. See that? Alright, so yeah, taking out the thyme sticks. Again, I'm use a lot of time, you know, but I'm sure at the end of this process all the thyme sticks will be gone. So yeah, guys, look at the beauty. Lord mercy, look. See that? Okay, me turn down the bulgur stove, turn down the stove here. Another epic move again, you know. Now I'm gonna take a picture of this. Let the client them see. Alright. So this is another one, guys. Cooking down nice and easy. Bam. Alright, good. People, when you ever taste this, I'm not to say the only day me not have no coconut milk in it, no, but me I tell you, trust me, honestly, it's good. Yeah, carrot cook. So stove off. Yeah, and when it cool down, I take another picture of it. Send out them you couldn't see. That's how things set, you know. Yeah, man. So people, look at that. Chicken wings in pak choy. You see how pretty that look, people? Real nice, right? Look at that. Look at them link here. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. Yes, people. Another epic move, you know. Look at that. See how happy that look? This is so beautiful. Taste is so good. Wonderful. Like, comment, subscribe, share this content. Let the world see. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright, people, hit the notification bell so you can see what's going on. Jam on Icon Kitchen. You see? Alright. That's it. Alright. So let me see now. Bulgur. Remember me tell you say bulgur is rich in fiber. So right now, bulgur ready, you know, guys. Or you know your bulgur ready is when you scrape it and you see like it a stick to your pot, like. See there? Bulgur ready. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you, not anybody can cook, but not everybody can cook bulgur. You know? But bulgur just cook just like rice. The form of wheat. You know? But it's high in fiber and natural taste. All you have to do is just add some ingredient to it. You can't put vegetable and all of them something when you cook bulgur, you know. Bulgur can cook just like how you see me cook the pak choy and all of that a while ago, you know. Bulgur, you just cut up what you cut up in it and just boil it up and you get nice meal. So people, it's another epic one from Jamon Icon, you know. I'm not telling you the truth, people. Most of my video them, when you see me try and taste and all of this, me not feel like eat yet. You know? So I'll cover down them food there till dinner time. Cause it's still early. Now I just midday. Now I noon, 8 minutes after 12. So yeah. Another epic move. Yeah. this gonna be dinner, you know. So make him go and stay there and, you know, steam down and come to perfection. Look on the beauty. You see that? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. I eat this, you know. Another beautiful, epic, splendid, delicious, you know, spontaneous, you know. All of the glorious, flavorful, colorful, you know. Yes. Yes, people. So yeah, man, that's how me do it. Bless up again to the world out there. Yeah. Bless up to all of my subscribers them, you know. Yeah, one idea me will do a live, you know. We can read and chat again. So me I say, yeah. So things set. You know. So till next time, as me say, we link up. Because I'm not ready to eat yet, but